Welcome to cooking cheap, easy, and tasty meals. Okay, today we're going to make some banana muffins. Fairly simple recipe, a small recipe, easy, something you can do quickly. Start with half a cup of all-purpose flour, to which we're going to add baking powder, baking soda, and salt. We're going to mix those together. Then, in a medium bowl, we're going to take a banana, and we're going to mash it. Now you could mash it with a fork. This is just a potato masher. It did all right. Didn't do great, but it did all right. Now we're going to add butter, both kinds of sugar, buttermilk, vanilla, and 1 egg. We're going to just mix that up a little bit. I think I'm going to use the whisk and bring this back over here. Now I'm going to add that to the dry mixture, get everything out, and then I'm going to mix this up real well. Okay, and that is ready to be added to our prepared muffin pan, which I have a 6-cup muffin pan, and I have added paper baking cups to a 6-cup pan. It's ready to go. We want to fill each of these muffin cups about 3/4 full with the batter. And then we're going to bake them at 425 degrees for about 8 minutes. I'll let the batter rest for a while. I'm hoping it's going to give us a better crown on the muffin. We'll find out. Sometimes it makes a difference. As soon as the oven comes to temperature, I am going to bake them. Okay, this is them after 8 minutes. We're going to set the temperature down to 350. I'm going to turn them around. Close the door and cook them for 6 more minutes, and then check them, so I don't overcook them. Okay, that took a total of about 7 minutes. Golden on top, look pretty good. Let's do a stick test. Okay, came out clean. Those appear to be ready. I'm gonna let them cool, and then we're going to taste them. Okay, let's open up while it's warm. Take a look inside. Still pretty warm. Put a little butter on it. Close it up and let it melt a little bit. Now we've got a little butter on it melting. Very pretty inside, nice crumb, looks tender, soft. This one, the butter is still melting in it. So let's take a piece and take a bite. Nice. Tastes like a banana muffin, not banana bread. It's lighter, more tender, a little more moist, and the butter brings out the flavor really well. So that's a quick and easy way to make a small batch of banana muffins and take advantage of one or more bananas that you have that need to be used or frozen. It's a quick way to use one. I hope you enjoy them. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give us a like. Thank you.